Honorable Millie is very fond of mentioning my name, even assuming that I am the chair of the committee, because I am not the chair of the committee, Honorable Speaker. But if you are speaking procedures, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, I want you to restrict yourself as to whether the amendments on the order paper are rightly before the House. Is that those amendments are rightly before the House. Because whether Honorable Pukose is a chair of a committee or a member, an ordinary member, who is not even a member of that committee, he has a right to propose amendments.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And any member of this House can propose amendments so long the clerk has signed amendments.
That point is well made.
And I have seen those amendments in the clerk's office.
That point is well made. 1 minute, Honorable Millie.
Chair, I do apologize and thank you for indulging me. I've just come from the airport and I don't have my card. So I'll request that even as we go on, when I carry my hand, if you could kindly indulge me. Chair, I think this matter has come before this House before. And I would want to encourage the leader of majority. Your name is the leader of majority. When you misuse your majority, it shows impunity. Even in the committees, you have majority. Please follow procedure for posterity. If a committee has actually passed a report, Chair, it is unprocedural for then the chair to sit unilaterally and change and amend the reports of a committee. You are making the work of the committees useless. What I would want to encourage, Chair, that going forward, Chair, I would want to encourage that we follow procedure.
Thank you.
And the chair of the committee, I know, is a guy who listens. And people listen to him. I've been before his committee, so he can encourage members.
Thank you so much, Honorable Millie.
He can encourage members, and members will listen to his amendments and he will have the numbers. But the way we are going is unprocedural, it is wrong, and we are setting a terrible precedence in this House. I would want to encourage that we do the right